What if you could make money while you sleep? No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit? That's the power of digital products, the #1 way to earn online in 2024. In this video, I'll break down exactly what digital products are, the best ones to sell, and how you can start making passive income with them. Stick around. This could change your life. Smash the like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. What is a digital product? A digital product is any product that exists online. No physical item, no shipping, just instant delivery. Think ebooks, courses, apps, music, templates, and more. Why are they so powerful? No inventory, sell unlimited copies. Low overhead, no manufacturing costs. Passive income, earn while you sleep. For example, if you write an ebook, every sale is pure profit after the first copy. That's the magic. Top 6 digital products to sell. Here are the 6 most profitable digital products you can start selling today. 1. Online courses, Teachable, Udemy, Kajabi. Teach skills like coding, fitness, or marketing. 2. Ebooks and guides, Amazon KDP, Gumroad. Share knowledge in a PDF. 3. Software and apps, no-code tools like Bubble, AppSheet. Solve problems with tech. 4. Digital templates, Canva, Etsy. Resume templates, social media kits. 5. Stock media, photos, videos, music. Shutterstock, Pond5. Sell your creative work. 6. Memberships and subscriptions, Patreon, Substack. Recurring income from exclusive content. Pick one that matches your skills. No experience? Start with templates or ebooks. How to sell digital products. Now, how do you actually sell them? Follow these steps. Step 1. Choose your product. What problem does it solve? Step 2. Create it. Use Canva, Google Docs, or ChatGPT for quick drafts. Step 3. Set up a sales page. Gumroad, Payhip, or Shopify for digital downloads. Step 4. Drive traffic. Promote on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or SEO. Step 5. Automate and scale. Use email marketing and upsells to boost profits. Pro tip. Start small. A $5 ebook can turn into a $10,000 a month business if you scale right. How much can you earn? Wondering about the money? Here's what's possible. Beginners, $500 to $2,000 per month. Ebooks, templates. Intermediate, $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Courses, memberships. Experts, $50,000 plus per month. Software agencies. Example, a fitness coach selling a $50 workout plan to 100 people equals $5,000 with no extra work. Digital products are the future of online income. Low risk, high reward, and totally scalable. Your turn. Comment below. Which product will you create first? And if you want a full guide on launching your first digital product, just email me and I will give you the full course.